Let's see 4 stocks for tomorrow's session. The first stock in the list is ITC. If you look at the daily chart of ITC, you can see this cup like pattern over here, which you can call as a round pattern as well, and this is the resistance zone. So if in Monday's session, if you see any movement above 200, you could see a target of around 280 or 210. So be wary of that. uh, However, one thing that also can happen, as we know, cup and hold pattern is an extremely great breakout pattern. So in tomorrow's session, you might see some consolidation near. It might not hit this low that it has made during this pattern, and if that happens, then you could see a even bigger breakout. But for tomorrow, we are looking to buy above 200. Second stock for tomorrow's session is TVS Motor. If you look at the daily chart of the stock, you can find a trend line developing on it. If in tomorrow's session, if you see any movement below 415, you can sell the stock, and the target should be around these levels. Third stock for tomorrow's session is JSW Steel. If you look at the daily chart, you can see that JSW is in extreme upswing. So in tomorrow's session, two things can happen. Either it breaks above the closing price of today's session, which is 246, or you can see another candle just around the candle of today's session. If that happens, then what it conveys? It conveys that sellers are trying to push the price lower, but due to the high buying volume, they are not able to do that. In that case, you can see an even bigger breakout. But in tomorrow's session, we are looking to buy at a price of about 247. That should be your entry price. Fourth and final stock for tomorrow's session is Hindalco Industries. If you look at the daily chart, Hindalco Industries, after making a sizable bullish candle, it is trading near about the highest point of that candle since last 3 trading sessions. And you can also see wick on the down direction, which means that sellers are trying to push the price down, but due to high buying volume, they are unable to do so. In tomorrow's session, you can see any price movement above this range of 3 candle, which is, I'll give you the level, which is 179. Anything above 179 should make a decent kind of up movement, and the target should be, we have to go to weekly chart. Target should be around this level, which happens to be 187. So around 7 to 8 rupees of profit. If you want to know all the important level we just discussed in this 4 stocks for tomorrow's session, you can join my Telegram channel. I will leave the link in the description box. Thank you for watching.